Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. People say that. Anyways, I'm just here to introduce myself and tell you guys that I just got myself equipment. Now I'll be doing YouTube videos and content. I want to start a business on cakes. I already have an Instagram account app, Uber Eats, Glovo. Yeah, I'm going to be baking cakes. Yeah, for my fellow moms, for you to celebrate milestones, baby milestones. So the baking business is going to be practically, the deco is the big deal about it, and also the fact that I won't be putting a lot of sugar. It will be controlled sugar. The only place where you can get like extreme sugar is when I use the confectionaries during decorating. But the cakes, the unique thing about them is it will be made at home. It will taste homey and it will not have a lot of sugar, I promise. And so I wanted to do that business because I had applied for a job, and then so I didn't get it, so I'll be home a lot. So I decided why not create content, because I also wanted to start that business. So I want to, while the whole process of making the cake and decorating it will be aired on my YouTube channel, and also her milestones. Yeah, in our journey. Isn't she pretty? Mommy, say hi. Say hi. And she likes smiling just like her mommy. Her name is Yami, by the way. Yami. So yeah, it will be a lot of talking to myself in here. Yeah, I know. Crazy. Yami. Mommy. Anyway, we are at 5 months, so we are still trying to sit down, and that's that. Any other updates? Her hair is not growing on this side. You see, she's bald over here, and also this other side. This is just like a hack I've done for her bib, instead of tying it around her neck. Yeah, she's a bubbly, happy baby girl. I'm so glad I have her, and she's very healthy. She doesn't get sick much. Yeah, that easily actually. Her hair is so pretty. Woo! Can't wait to tell you more about her. Anyway, this video will YouTube channel will be about the cakes, and also I also have like a business that I sell pallet beds, and I'll take you on that journey one time when I'm doing my project. I'll show you guys how I do it, and that's all. Vlogs will be pretty minimal because I won't be going out much, as like I said. I'll just be here talking to myself, making content, and whatever, you know, that's what I'll be doing. So yeah, I guess that's. I forgot. If you see I'm going to put this video up today. Like, today is on when is today, mama? Today is on 20th, if Friday, 19th, Black Friday, November 19th of November 2021. Yeah, pandemic babies. This is a pandemic baby. Yeah, so I wanted to tell you guys that I got all my equipment. Like, I just decided to go, let's do this, because now that I'll be home, and then I didn't get the job. But you know what, God has a better yes for me. Like, that was a no, but it means that God has a better yes for me. I was so sure I'll get the job. Connections went. So sad. Usiwahi tegemea binadamu, they don't do that. Don't depend on people. People will. Sorry, I won't be saying that. I won't be saying curse words near her. I want her to grow to be a very kind and generous and polite and all that virtue stuff words for her. She wants to sneeze. Anyway, yeah. So that's all. My channel is just about the cakes. I can't wait to. But then this is me project. I don't know, but I'm just saying. I haven't done any. I know how to bake. I bake cakes. I bake my own cakes. I eat banana cakes here like all the time. I don't like vanilla cake. I don't like. Oh my god, mommy! You're not a boy and you're that destructive. Yeah, I'm not Kikuyu, by the way. I needed that. Yeah, I'm breastfeeding. She's exclusively breastfeeding her. Yeah, she's we are at 5 months, so I am hoping to take you on the next months and years journey with her, and I'll be looking back at this video and I'll be like, this was my very first YouTube video and I was with you, mommy. Look at yourself, you're so tiny. No, she's not tiny by the way, she's big. Look at her, she's a whole snock. And she actually makes the lighting on my side become she's my daughter, by the way. Even if you think she's not, she's my, like, if you think she's not it, even if you think so, she's my daughter. She's my firstborn. Oh, not that I'm planning to have a secondborn. Yeah, she's my firstborn. Yeah, and I really thank God. I'll tell you everything as I'm thinking of telling you, like our birth journey, but nah now. Plus the minutes are ticking. So yeah, my YouTube channel will be about the cakes, my pallet bed business, and her milestones. And while we celebrate her milestones, already she knows how to sit. We are still on it, but she's almost there. She can grab stuff. If you give her stuff, she can grab it using one hand. There! Direct to the mouth. Mommy, this is not for eating. It is not for eating. Yeah, what else can she do? She's already cooing. And boo boo. She doesn't know how to say mama yet, but when she cries like mom, and I'm like, oh my god. Actually, she was so tiny, and I never thought she would like get here. Ready? Nini, what's wrong? Nini, mommy. She's bored. Yeah. So that's that. Please subscribe, and let's wait for the content. I hope it will be amazing. I do my own makeup. I just wanted to do like a full makeup, but then I was like, no, I don't have the time. I have the time. I have all the time. I was just tired. Yeah, so this is a beautiful day that the Lord has made, and I'm so glad I get to do this with you guys. I'm so glad I was able to afford everything I need for a YouTube channel, and I'm also so glad that my baby is healthy despite all the challenges that I go through in my personal life. Yeah, but everything is okay. Everything turns out to be okay. Yeah. That's that. Bye. Let's wait for, I'm going to do content today. Like, I'm waiting for I don't want this to go past 10 minutes. I'm waiting for my hand mixer to be delivered, I'm so excited, guys. And then I go and get like the piping bags and the frosting parts, the decorating. I'm just going to record this today. If she sleeps, that is, all my utensils are done. I think I'll do that because I don't have anything planned for today, so I'll just do that. I'll try my first cake so that I see if this business is going anywhere or I start looking for another content. Yeah, but I don't know. I'll probably do sneak peeks on my Instagram and I'll put it on my highlights as my very first trial. And follow me on Instagram. Like and so I don't know what effect that has, but I think that means I'll get money. Yeah, and I need money, so please subscribe, share. I know I haven't said much that is important, but you get the jinx. Yeah. Thank you for your 10 minutes. May God bless you. Have a beautiful day or night or whenever you're watching. Just have a good time. Bye. Mommy, say bye. Bye.